Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Olympics theme on Instagram. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do, make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest version. So you want to go to your App Store or Google Play Store, just type in Instagram and make sure it doesn't say update like it does for me. But what you want to do is update it. Once it's updated, come back to the app, go to the top right on the DMs, and then select on any chat. From there you want to click on their name on the top, and then you see this theme. So you have theme default. And basically what you want to do, click on the themes, click on Olympics, and as you can see now the theme is Olympics. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.